Hello friends. So based on what we did yesterday, we will do a very simple exercise today. You have to correct these sentences. And start with first one. You can help anyone. You can help someone. Not anyone, because anyone is used with the negatives. He has much money with him. Much is used only with negative. So you have to say he hasn't much money with him. He hasn't much money with him. And third is they like it at all. At all is used only with negatives, and so you have to say they did not like it at all. They did not like it at all. And then fourth one is he took a bit of it. Bit of is used, bit of it, that is used only with negatives, and so you have to say he did not take a bit of it. He did not take a bit of it. And then fifth one, you can say, have you seen someone? Questions. Someone is used only with positive. Questions and negatives, you have to see any. So you can say, you have to say, have you seen anyone? Have you seen anyone? Alright, 6. I have gone somewhere. I have gone somewhere. That is correct sentence. I have gone somewhere. Or you can rewrite it as I haven't gone anywhere. I have gone somewhere, or you can rewrite it as I haven't gone anywhere. Okay. Then they go to school every day. That is tricky one. They don't go to school on all days. They don't go to school on all days. Every day you have to change. They are living here any longer. Any longer. That is negative, so you have to say they aren't living here any longer. They aren't living here any longer. And then you have got 9. He hasn't already done it. So he hasn't negative, so you have to say yet. He hasn't done it yet. He hasn't done it yet. The corresponding negative for already is yet. Alright. And then he has 10th one is, have you finished the work already? Again questions, and so you have to say, have you finished the work yet? Have you finished the work yet? And next one, we have not seen someone there. We haven't seen anyone there. We have not seen someone there. You have to correct it as we haven't seen anyone there, or you can say we have seen someone there. Positive. We have seen someone there. Both ways you can correct. And 12th, do you want some help? Question. Therefore you have to say, do you want any help? Do you want any help? Yes. 13, anyone will come today. That's a positive sentence. You have to say, someone will come today. Someone will come today. They are not still in love. They are not. So still is used with the positive. But then you have to say, they are still in love, or if you want to make it negative, they aren't in love anymore. They aren't in love anymore. They aren't in love anymore. That's negative correction. Positive. They are still in love. You can say. And 15. I am waiting for anyone to take this. Positive. So you have to say, I am waiting for someone to take this. Or if you want negative, you can say, I am not waiting for anyone to take this. I am not waiting for anyone to take this. That also we can correct. I think now that's clear. What I have told you yesterday, based on this, you have this. So remember this. Put out the killer virus, shut out all its parts, put up a tough fight, and flush out the killer. So we will definitely win, no doubt about it. So within a few days, I think that we will all be able to come together and stand together, sit together, work together. All these things will be done. Let's hope that our effort and the sacrifices that we are making now, and the sacrifices being made by all those people, say forces doctors, nurses, helpers, all those people definitely will bear fruit and everything will be alright. But in the meanwhile, when you are getting time, this is the best time for you to study grammar. So you should do that because it is going to be a lifetime treasure. Because the grammar doesn't change much, very slight changes here and there. If you sometimes, otherwise basic things remain the same. Therefore, once you master this, it will be yours forever. Hope to see you again. Bye. Have a nice day.